my name is Octavia Bizzell and I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm currently wrapping up my last year as a marketing major here in the College of Business. And if I'm being completely honest, I landed in the College of Business randomly. I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do, like many people coming to college or in college now. I even changed my major a couple of times and I eventually stuck with marketing. And I'm glad that I did, because as time has gone on, I've realized how broad of a field marketing actually is. And recently I realized that I've wanted to get into brand development, more specifically in the fashion industry, which is why I picked up a merchandising minor, thanks to one of my supportive College of Business professors. I would say that the College of Business is going to get you out of your comfort zone quickly, and you just have to adjust. It's all about developing you as a leader. As time goes on, you're gonna basically come up with your own definition of what a leader is and walk in that. As you go through the program, you're a lot more confident in delivering your ideas and just your way of thinking as a leader. But when it comes to your experience in the College of Business or just at ECU in general, I would say it's what you make it. You need to take advantage of the professors that are here to help you, that want to help you. Take advantage of those relationships with the people you meet in your classes, because you never know who you're sitting next to, honestly. But I would say do whatever makes you happy. And if that consists of changing your major multiple times, you do that. And maybe you'll stick with marketing like I did.